In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and the complete setup of your Brother printer MFC-J4535DW. So let's start with the unboxing. Once we switch on the printer, here we can see it is asking to install the starter ink so that we can start the initial setup. Now the ink can be filled in the front section, so just press it down and we can open the front. Now remove the ink from this package. Remove one by one. Now place coding to the color M, C, Y and VK. So this is the M. So slide it in, push it until you hear a lock sound. Now do it for all ink cartridges. So simply slide it in and it's ready. It's very easy to install the ink cartridges in the Brother printer. It's so convenient. Now close the ink chamber, go to the main screen. Once we install the ink, click on the next button. It's a touch screen printer. Now it's asking to enter the date. Here we can see this is the initial setup and it might take some time, so we still have to wait here. Next thing is to load the paper. So tray 1 to load the paper. Now it has all the size written here, so it's really good. You can see in this printer. Lock here, so press it and then move it here. Place the pages. Adjust the size and close the window. And go to the main screen and click OK. Here we can see it has printed the sheet. So this is the print quality sheet, and if you think everything is okay, then simply click yes on the main screen. The closest result of all the inks. Now it recommends you to do the best alignment, so you can click on the start button. Select if it's a letter paper and click start. Approximately it will take 2 minutes for the adjustment for best print quality. Now this is the alignment page. You can see, just check everything is okay. Open the top scanner lid, place it facing downwards. The arrow is on the left hand side here. Close it and click on the start button. So alignment will be started soon. So alignment is completed, we can click OK. Here you can select if you want to use first tray, second tray. That's the tray settings. Click no change. Now you can scan this QR code and start the setup process without device, mobile, or click OK. And here we can see our main screen of the printer, so we are ready to use it for the copy. Now if you want to do the printing and scanning wirelessly, we have to do the Wi-Fi setup. You can see the Wi-Fi icon here, select it, find Wi-Fi network, select your Wi-Fi network, click OK, enter the password using this screen. To the password, click OK. Connection is successful. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now we have to add it any device for wireless printing and scanning. So I'm going to add it in a Windows laptop. Now in Windows laptop, go to the start button and click on the settings. Select devices. and then printers and scanners. Click add a printer or a scanner button on the top and wait for your brother printer to show up. Once you see your printer, select it and click on the add device. So your printer should be ready within few minutes, as you can see here. Now scroll down and look for your printer. Here we can see options like manage. So click on the manage button, and if you scroll down you will see for the scanning. So click this, open scanner. So here you can start using it for scanning. If you want to do printing, just select any of the document you want to print, click on the print button, and on the box select your brother printer and click on the print icon. Instantly your printer will start printing. So it's quite fast printer. This is the paper output tray. So here we can see the printer has printed. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.